Hi, my name is Kay from GEM Financial Modeling Academy, and today we will be considering the topic the benefits of creating scenarios in financial models. And as you know, that financial models are actually decision-making tools. Now, creating scenarios is one of the most frequent activities that you see in your model. Now, the main reason for creating financial models is to foster informed decisions and assess the effect of these decisions on key performance indicators and metrics. Key performance indicators like your EBIT, your EBITDA, your PAT, and also most often the free cash flow to equity or the free cash flow to the firm. And so when you look at the effect of the assumptions, the inputs of the model vis-a-vis against these outputs, you are actually carrying out scenario analysis. Alright, in financial modeling, actually, this process is typically used to estimate changes in the value of a business or cash flow, just like I said before now, especially when there are potential favorable and unfavorable events that could impact the company. So, in actual fact, the impact of the decisions of the KPIs are actually measured on the how they impact the company, either favorably or unfavorably, and this is one key key features of scenario analysis. All right, most business managers actually use scenario analysis during their decision-making process to find out the best case scenario as well as the worst case scenario while anticipating profit and potential losses. So in essence, business managers are always on the lookout for what is the best thing that could happen to us or what is the worst thing that could happen to us. So they need scenario analysis in order to answer these questions. Individuals can also use this process when they have a big investment such as buying a house or setting up a business. Now, another thing you need to know about the scenario analysis, particularly as regards this tutorial, is that we are going to go through steps for you to understand how to build robust and reusable scenarios using Excel tools and methodologies for building your own scenarios using data validation, form controls, and lookup functions. So these are the three vital ingredients that are needed for you to insert scenarios into any financial models. You need data validation, you need form controls, and you need lookup functions or formula which you use in writing your formulas. Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that subsequently you get to see our videos. Thank you.